He's eating the leaves. He's eating them. Or she's eating the leaves.
Probably hungry.
That's all you hear from the cows. They're in the barn, some of them are. Did you hear that?
There's a hole in the roof. I found the piece of metal. It was all the way. I propped it up against the bottom of the barn door.
Oh.
So I found it all the way out in the field and brought it back. But obviously, until I get some way of climbing up there with a ladder, like a giant ladder or a limb.
It is so beautiful today. I don't care if it's gray. The dogs.
I'll call them because I don't want them to
Look at my trousers. Yeah, I know. These are cheap trousers from Express. They're not bespoke or anything.
Yeah,
even
they
wool.
want to
This
run
is
off on their own like them.
viscose or something. Okay. Well, this is just proof that we went out for a walk today. My Yeti is indestructible. Once again, I'm wearing Banana Republic Factory. This is Free People, this harness. This is perfect for riding horses. And then this is the perfect day to wear my Le Chameau wellies because it is raining right now. My phone is covered in wet. Mr. Dixon is wearing North Face and I'm not sure where the trousers are from. What are your boots? Because they're real leather.
These are Clarks.
Clark's. British shoes. Something interesting about his shoes is that they're made of really fine quality leather. And if you see the front, he worked for one day in the house, on the house, and they already got battered. So it doesn't matter whatever your work boots are, they're going to get destroyed, especially on the farmhouse or anywhere on the farm. So that's just something to keep in mind. I will create a haul, however, on some really good work boots that protect your feet so that cows, when they walk or accidentally step on your foot, or if you have a tool fall on you, or if you drop something on your foot, your toes stay intact. Keep an eye out for that because I'm still doing some research. There are some things that are oil resistant, puncture resistant, even gloves that I have to look into, and it's a lot of research, and I want to try at least a small scope of them so I have some sort of idea on the range that there is for the quality and price. It's raining right now and it's so green and lush. This is where you feed the cows. The other side is so muddy and boggy. Here's a piece of rusted metal, so something. Oh, this is all.
In fact, there's too many to pick up. Something must have been broken apart.
Obliterated. These are pieces of metal. You have to be careful with the cows because they'll hurt themselves. This whole area is due to cows laying down. You can see that thing there, this little swing behind. So cows will accidentally step in something and there will be pus in their hooves. If you check their hooves, they'll be infected. And this is cow waste. Sorry, I'm showing it so much. This is why also you need to be careful with being barefoot. It's impossible because sometimes someone will be working out here and they won't have their hands full, so they'll just drop a piece of a nail or a piece of the project they're working on and it'll just fall on the floor. And here comes Piper. Where's this little Shaggy dog? It's a letter gilet. Hey Shaggy! It wasn't me, that's what he's saying.
It's over there. Can you see?
The whole herd is... Where's the rest of the... Oh, I see. Now it's really pouring. You look way too happy.
Sign up to Gia's free newsletter linked below to get updates on all things high quality living, elegant outfit ideas, and monthly style mood boards. Here you will get early access to exclusive news and all her social media in one place without spending time on apps. Now back to the video.
Cows are annoyed at everything. They whine when they're hungry, they whine when it's raining, they whine when they're too lazy to get out of the rain to get some food. Look at these beautiful berries. That's all you hear from the cows. Look at this. That's not our dog. He just lives here. Needs a shower. We need to get a hose. We're saving for
to be shaved.
a pressure wash. Yeah, at this point, so matted. He's still got things living in his hair.
Yeah.
Well, we look the same right now.
Struggling.
And he looks sad too sometimes.
Yeah.
Poor guy. They were just, you see these stripes? They were just skipping across the pond. Oh, I see one bobbing. I see another one bobbing.
So you said your GoPro's waterproof to 30 feet?
I don't have a GoPro. I was looking at it.
Oh. Well, when you buy it, let's put it on a bit of string and I'll throw it in there.
No. Oh, I just missed it right when I turned. Maybe movement, hearing. Ew, the dark mud, the sludge just stayed. Ew. It doesn't flow.
Algae.
This is why you need
Right,
high
are you
boots.
looking down there?
Yeah, I'm looking.
It's the very bottom left of the...
Idea. Oh, I saw a head. I see heads bobbing down here. There's the sky. There's the tractor. The tractor looks small. We're not that far away. There's Doggy Dog. Looks like a painting. His tail. The real fireplace for the house is behind here, but
Am I close
Here's-
enough to the TV?
here's an artificial one, and we're still figuring this out. This one does not want to store his clothes properly. Why is that? Because he wants to renovate the entire house and wait 5 years before he can store his clothes, essentially.
They're in boxes, which are dust proof. It's the smart thing.
This house is gonna be full of dust forever. It's funny how today we were bleeding sweat, and then, or yesterday we were really, really sweaty. It was so hot, and then today it's raining. Bruce Springsteen. I married Bruce Springsteen. Pepper. Let's check out the bunnies. Such a happy puppy.